Tired of project chaos? Then buckle up, because in this 90-second tutorial, you're going to learn the core features of Jira Software and how to transform your projects from a mess into a well-oiled machine using Agile methodologies. Let's dive in. First, stop creating a project. You'll start by selecting a project type, such as Kanban for continuous workflow or Scrum for iterative sprints. Once the project type is selected, give your project a name, a key, and customize it with any additional details depending on your needs. Next, let's explore Jira's powerful boards. Agile boards are visual workspaces where you can manage tasks. You'll see different columns representing stages like to do, in progress, and done. These are all easily customizable. You can drag and drop tasks represented by cards to different columns, tracking progress in real time. Click a card to see its details. Inside those cards, you can see the task's description, assign it to a team member, and add comments for discussion. Check and update the status of the task. Now, onto one of the best parts: integrating external tools. Jira integrates seamlessly with tools you probably already use like Slack. Connecting Jira to these tools helps team members to receive instantaneous notifications about tasks. You can also link it with other popular developer tools to monitor and track work being done. By using these tools, you've just begun to witness how simple it is to streamline your projects and foster incredible teamwork using Jira Software. Start using Jira Software now and watch your projects thrive. Become an expert in project management for yourself and your team. And happy managing!